Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Snowman Season Bundle. You will find this particular bundle on page 19 of the holiday catalog. It includes the Snowman Season Stamp Set and the Snowman Builder Punch. So this is a little tip for you if you have other builder punches. You take a scratch piece of paper, you punch the holes or you punch it out, and then you align the stamps in the holes of the punch out, and then you can pick it all up with an acrylic block and you are nicely aligned for that punch. Now my arms were a little off here, so sometimes you might have to adjust here or there, and you'll see that in a minute. So here I'm inking up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm going to be coloring this with my blends markers, so that's the reason why I use Memento. It does not bleed with alcohol. And I'm using just a touch of the Balmy Blue Dark and then just fading it out with Balmy Blue Light. And then I'm using Pumpkin Pie for the dude's nose. Now I'm going to just use the snowman, so it didn't matter to me that the arms were a little off, and you can see they're a little off there. I'm just going to concentrate on a nice border around my snowman because that's all I need. So here is the sentiment. It says, hoping this season builds heartwarming memories. And again, I'm using the same black ink that I used for the snowman. I used a little bit of Tombow glue and smeared it around a little bit. Tombow glue is really sticky, but I wanted to not have it lift anywhere. So, and I didn't want it oozing off of the end. So that's the reason why I sort of smeared my finger across the way. So that was just a little piece of Whisper White, and I matted it with Real Red because Real Red is in the Let It Snow Specialty Designer Series paper, which is right here, and I'm using that. I'm sketching on a hill, and then in one fell swoop, I will cut a nice sloping hill, trying not to make too many snips, trying to only make a couple. Then again for the Tombow glue, and this is the thing, those hats and stuff, I think it's the little toques there that actually have glitter on them, so it's kind of bumpy, so you need a nice strong adhesive. So I'm adhering that to the top portion of the card, and then the sentiment piece that's matted in Real Red, I will center that about a 1/2 inch from this piece, trim off the edges there, and I'll even decorate the inside of the card. So a little bit more Tombow glue on my snowman, remove the cat hair, and there is my little scene. Now I will decorate him up in a second. I am going to apply, use just a little bit extra of this little piece of paper, that Specialty Designer Series paper. I like to use that all. I don't throw much away. So sometimes when I'm looking for the inside of the card, I'll throw in a little extra here. And that's exactly what I did, using my bone folder to crease that card base, and I believe that was Pool Party. It is Pool Party. And then I'm adhering my card front to the card base. Now here comes the fun part. This is the Let It Snow embellishment kit. You'll also find that on page 19. And these are the little enamel shapes that you can decorate your snowman with. So how cool is that, hey? Gave him little wooden arms, and now I'm going to use my take your pick tool and the bigger pieces of coal, and I decorated my dude up. Then I put a few little drops of the Tombow glue, and I'm putting these little tiny, that's like snowballs. They're ridiculous. I think they're made of felt. I'm not sure. It says felt snowballs, but anyway, they feel like styrofoam. Anyway, they're so cute. That's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining. Please subscribe, and I will catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.